In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without the need to reinstall the browser itself. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial today, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if you don't already have it open. And now you want to navigate over to the top right corner of the browser window. When you hover over it, should say Customize and Control Google Chrome. It's the menu icon. Left click on it, and then go down and left click on Settings from near the bottom of this list. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you get to Advanced near the bottom, or actually it is at the bottom of the first page that loads here. Left click on it. Scroll down again until you get to Reset, Restore Settings to their original defaults. Left click on that. You will get a little pop-up here saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Left click on Reset to begin this process. It will take a couple moments to run, so please be patient. And once it's done, I'd recommend closing out of your web browser, reopen it, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.